Here's the simplest way to see if your ads are beating your competitors inside of Google Ads. And the metric is called ClickShare, and I'm going to explain what it means and how to find it quickly. So let's drill down into a campaign of our choice, and then click on an ad group of our choice, and then you'll be taken to the keyword level. So I've already got the metric over here. It says ClickShare, and all you need to do to find this is go into your columns, edit pencil, and then click on the search bar like so, and just type in ClickShare. Right? So I've already got it, and I've already got it, at the bottom here. So I'm going to click cancel, but you should click apply and click this here. So it's got different numbers for different keywords, and I'm going to explain how you can use this metric to your advantage so that you're winning more auctions and beating your competitors. So what is ClickShare? Well, Google looks at all the times that your ad showed up versus all the times that it didn't show up because it lost to competition. So if the number that you see in that ClickShare looks like 100%, so if we saw that one of these said 100%, it simply means that you got every possible click. Like you won every click possible, which almost never happens, by the way. Like you will never see 100%. Whereas 30% is more of a reasonable number. It means you got 30% of the pie and competitors got the other 70%. Keeping in mind that it's not just one competitor, it's probably like a gambit full of competitors. So 30% is a pretty healthy number, okay? What is a good versus bad number? Well, a high number like 60% is almost unheard of, but when you do get it, it means you're dominating the space, like you're doing extremely well. You're getting a majority of the clicks. Because again, you're sharing these auctions for each of the keywords, like this keyword versus this keyword, all enters into different auctions, and different competitors might be bidding on different keywords. Like you might have competitor 1 bidding on this one, and this one. You might have competitor 2 bidding on this one, and this one, the same as this. And then you might have competitor 3 bidding on this, and so on. So if you do have 60%, amazing, kudos. You're doing really, really well. Unheard of, right? And then medium is between 30 to 50%. It means you're competitive, but this is relative, and I'll explain this later. And then low is 20% or less, 10% or less. But again, it's all relative to the amount of competitors in the auction and how competitive your space is, right? So in a hyper competitive space, like let's say, for example, you're selling consumer goods that is like a commodity, then 30% is extremely high and you're doing extremely well. It's basically, if you're getting 30%, it's just the same as if you're getting 60. It's still very, very impressive. Whereas if you've got a small niche and there's not that many competitors, you know that there's not that many competitors, and in the keyword planner area, you're seeing like they're all low, then you're likely 30% is that it's too low. Like you should probably aim for 50 to 60% if you can, as long as all the keywords there are super low. So how do you use it day to day, right? I've just showed you go to the keyword level, because if you go to the ad group level, it's going to really muddy the waters on what is real, because as I just explained to you, you might have different competitors bidding on different keywords, right? And when you're grouping them all together in the one ad group to get an average, it's not really a good way to look at this metric. Okay, so what do you do on a day to day? Well, if you got a low click-through rate and a low click share, then you need to fix your ads and your landing page first. So fix your ads in terms of the keywords, the quality scores, improve the dynamic keyword injections, improve the numbers you're using, improve the headline pinning, all this kind of stuff. And the landing page, make it faster, make it better, offer better, use direct response copywriting if you need to, if that's relevant for you. Because people don't click when you show up, and that's the main issue here, and you're not winning many auctions at the same time. Now, if you've got a high CTR, and a low click share, it means your ads are already good, so you don't really need to touch the copy or anything like that, but you're not winning enough auctions, so you need to improve your quality scores. So that might be looking at the landing page, improving the landing page, tightening up your keywords, so bidding on less keywords and being more specific with your exact match keywords, or increasing your budget, right? Or it's a combination of all three, right? Or even more than that. If you've got a high CTR and high click share, good. Like, that's amazing. Good job. If you've got a low CTR and a high click share, it means you're visible, right? You're entering into a lot of auctions, but you're not winning the clicks. So you need to make the ads better. You need to look at the copy, the keywords you're bidding on, make them more compelling, and then also look at some of the number psychology, social proof, all this kind of stuff. So that's how you can use ClickShare. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, leave them below. More than happy to answer them, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.